4 years, when there is a change in Bengal, and after we come in power, within these 3 years, our performance, it will prove itself that Bengal is rising and Bengal is shining under the sun. We need full support from my industrial friend. It may be from the foreign countries, it may be from the government of India, it may be from my local people, and I must congratulate my industrial, all the core group, the core committee, headed by all the captain of industries in Bengal, and especially nowadays the beauty of our industrial development is that Bengal government, we don't guide or we don't advise. It is the industrial core committee. This is the captain of the industries. This is their baby. They advised us, they guide us. And I think this is a beauty created by Bengal industrialists, that it is their baby, it is not our baby. So this is your sweet home. I welcome all of my friends from all over the world to say that, yes, it is your sweet home. You have taken too much trouble to come over here from different parts of the world and different parts of the country also. And it is your sweet home, and you are our brothers and sisters. And please consider Bengal is your industrial destination, and please consider Bengal is your own homeland, and it is your own motherland, and it is your own sweet home. If you consider this, you will be obliged, and obliged. Bengal, we have enough opportunities. We have our own land bank, land map, land use policy. The electricity, we are surplus. Even we can supply the electricity for others also. Even we have the enough opportunities. Again, 4,000 megawatt, the power is coming, new added for the electricity area. So power is surplus. We have started power banking. The land is there, land bank is ready, land map is ready, land use policy is ready. We have enough manpower. We have skill power. Bengal is #1 in India. 12, 13 and 13, 14. From the skill development point of view, our manpower, our talent, our young generation, if you can nurture Bengal, you can get the ready manpower. Our skill power is very strong. And also, if you see the banking investment from the MSME, the small scale industry, you will see the banking investment, we are #1 in MSME sector also. Our agricultural production, our production is very high, and there also we are #1 in the country. And there are so many social areas also where we give the benefits to our downtrodden people. There also we work very hard. And from 100 days job to so many social empowerment to the people, that Bengal is #1 also. I am happy to tell you that our government have already announced the PPP policy, private and public partnership. Even you will be happy to know that 6 new universities coming with this public and private partnership. In our 341 blocks, we are starting farmers market, warehousing, cold storage through PPP. In Bengal, we are setting up 40 multi-super hospitals. It is also within PPP. Then we have set up our State Highway Authority Corporation. Then 4,000 road kilometers a day. From government, we are doing 1,000 road kilometers, and 3,000 road kilometers are open, will be going for public-private partnership. We have already decided our new IT policy announced, investment and industry policy newly announced, State policy on public-private partnership is announced, IT policy announced, MSME policy announced, textile policy announced, and there are so many opportunities for investment of tourism sector, mega tourism project, it is also announced, and film industry also we are going to set up 2 film city, Tolly industry, Tollywood industry, and so many things that is also coming up. And we are going to set up so many tourism, the eco-tourism park to tourism industry also, cultural industry also. The Bay of Bengal, its area. The Bengal, the beauty is it is a gateway of Southeast Asia. Bangladesh is my friendly country, our neighbor. From Kolkata, it is only half an hour. If you invest Bengal, from Bengal you can coordinate Bangladesh also. Then the Indo-Bangladesh, both the industry you can set up. Bangladesh and India, we are really each other, we always wish to maintain the good relation. They are my friendly country and their representatives are also here. They told me yesterday that we want to invest more and more in Bengal. And please come to Bangladesh also. I will appeal Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, all of my neighboring country. It is the gateway of Bengal. If you see Kuala Lumpur, the Malaysia, only 2.5 hours by flight. If you see even China, the area, even if you see Myanmar, Singapore, it is only 2.5 hours. So it is very nearest, and it is the gateway of Southeast Asia also. So I think that we may work together, we may work more and more also. We have ready-made infrastructure also, we have created so many infrastructure also. And Bengal, we have the hill area in Darjeeling. We have mangrove of Southeast Asia also. So I think that we may work together, we may work more and more also. We have ready-made infrastructure also, we have created so many infrastructure also. And Bengal, we have the hill area in Darjeeling. We have mangrove forest. It's a largest delta, the mangrove forest area. Where Tiger Rescue Center is also there, the Sundarban area, Bay of Bengal. It's the border of Bangladesh and India, the Bengal. Go to Darjeeling, the hill area, and go to Midnapur, the sea area is also there, and south, of course, the Bay of Bengal is also there. And we have enough opportunities for tourism, from cultural tourism to educational hub, to medical hub, to small-scale industry, to big industry. You can utilize Bengal from all the angles. And if you see the overall growth, industry, what we need, manpower. Cheap manpower, you will get it from Bengal. Skill power. We have the employment bank readily available. We are giving training to the people. Number 3, the land. Land is available. No problem for land. We are not going to acquisite the land forcefully, but we have the land bank, land use policy, land map. And within this year, we have cleared all the land, 14Y. Whatever was pending with us, we have already cleared. So there is no problem from any industry. We have set up our cabinet committee on infrastructure. Within 7 days, we cleared all the proposal. And earlier, there was a problem for land mutation and all this. It was about 6 months. Now it is only 21 days. So everything, single window clear system, the synergy system, and everything is available. And the business community invest from transport to inland transport, road transport to inland transport. Bengal, we are going to set up the deep sea port also. My sitting minister will be coming also. So we will listen to him, we will listen to Arun Jaitley ji. Arun Jaitley ji also will give us the advice and give us the suggestions and his vision and the opinion. We will be delighted to know his opinion, and also we will work together. Let me assure to all of you that political differences will not block the road for the development. And that will continue. And that will continue. Accountability. Good governance means good credentials. Good governance means good dedication. Good governance means good determination. Governance means my good industrial captain, they will work in the field, I will work with them because I will be working behind of them. And also I feel industry and agriculture, let us work together, like education, health and culture, how they work together. So industry, agricultural sector is also a big sector. Let us work together. Service is fine is our vision. And safety, security and the longevity of the work. Let us start this work, and Bengal is the destination for the world industry also. So many areas it is not been nurtured earlier. Please nurture this, and whatever you need help from us, I can assure you from our side always our core committee, every sector, we have the core committee, and all my core committee members are also present on the dais and the down also. All the core committee, always they have the office, they have already set up the office, they are sitting, they are consulting, they are doing, all the industries are there. It is not that we are guiding them, they are guiding us. So if any problems are there, it is not that it is very difficult to contact with us. It is the industrial sector, they take care of them, and we are always with them. And I can tell you one thing, I don't want to work